Today is all about simple, 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 and tasty. Gotta have tasty in it. Gonna show you how to do a party sub. Gonna go kind of Italian style on mine, but that's another good benefit to what we're gonna do today. It's customize your own, whatever you like. Here's a little art project you can do. You gotta have something stable to put your sandwich on. Get a piece of particle board, cut it to the length of your sandwich, wrap it in butcher paper, wrap it in aluminum foil. You can do it on a cutting board as long as it's big enough. It's up to you. I got all kinds of toppings, all kinds of cheeses, all kinds of meats. You can use whatever kind of bread you like, but sure you've gone to a party where they have these 3-foot long sandwiches that they probably paid $100 for to have some deli make them when you can do it yourself for half the price. You can go to any grocery store that has a bakery in it, and they usually have fresh loaves of bread that they make. You can get French bread, you can get Italian bread, you can get sourdough bread, depending on what store you go to. And these are about 18 inches long. You can do an 18-inch sub sandwich. You can take 2 of them, cut the ends off, put them together, and you now have a 33, 34-inch sandwich. It's that simple. Or if you want to make your own bread, you can do your own bread. You can use that recipe right there. That's my big, huge hamburger that I made, but you can use the recipe and just make a long loaf of bread. You can do the little slices in the top of it like this before you cook it, and it'll give you the little slices in the top of it like that to make it look pretty. If you choose to do all of these loaves of bread together that you bought, you cut the ends off of it, nobody's gonna notice that it's 3 different loaves of bread when you go and you slice the sandwiches and have it all served up and prepared. You could do 3 different kinds of sandwiches and have it all put together and look like you got one big huge sandwich that's 4 feet long with 3 different kinds of sandwich in it. How cool is that? Whatever you want to do, it's up to you. Let me show you how to do this. So there you go. That's a beautiful sandwich right there. Slice it up, serve it up, or eat it all at once. However you like. Go Homer Simpson on it. Good stuff. You can go turkey avocado, pastrami, Italian roast beef, whatever you want to do. It's up to you. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you like what you see. Hit the notification bell. Comment. Like it. Share it. Be good people. Have a good day, guys. Thanks for watching.